Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the RXV safe to work on. Park level, set the brake, then disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent sparks. Once done, remove the seat and the swing arm panel to access the rear wiring bundle. You should already have a 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, and a multimeter. Use a marker to tag connectors so you can reverse the process precisely. Once you can see the alarm module and wiring, identify the buzzer connector and the activation lead from the reverse switch. You test with the multimeter. Put the vehicle in reverse and confirm 12V appears on that lead, which tells you found the right wire. Then you either unplug the buzzer connector or, if inaccessible, cut the activation lead and insulate it carefully with heat shrink or tape. This prevents stray contact and keeps the system safe. You finish by reconnecting the negative battery cable and testing the reverse gear. If the alarm is silent, reattach panels and seat and tidy wires with zip ties. If the alarm still sounds, make sure you didn't miss a secondary buzzer or a shorted splice. Recheck your multimeter readings and connector locations. If anything seems ambiguous, pause and consult the service manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.